I want to be converted.
Sister, did you ask question yesterday?
No, sir.
Do you believe there is one God?
Yes, sir.
Do you believe Jesus is God?
No.
Do you believe Jesus is the messenger of God?
He's a messenger of God.
Do you believe Prophet Muhammad to be the messenger of God?
Prophet Muhammad is a messenger of God.
Is anyone forcing you to accept Islam?
No, sir.
Are you doing out of your own free will?
Yes, sir.
Okay, inshallah. I will say in Arabic and you can repeat it, sister. Ashhadu
Ashhadu
Allah
Allah
ilaha
ilaha
illallah
illallah
wa ashhadu
wa ashhadu
anna
anna
Muhammadan
Muhammadan
abduhu
abduhul
wa rasuluhu.
rasuluhu.
I bear witness
I bear witness
that
that
there is no God
there is no other God
but Allah
but Allah,
and Prophet Muhammad
and Prophet Muhammad
is
is
the messenger
the messenger
and servant of Allah.
and the servant of Allah.
MashaAllah, sister, become a Muslim. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala grant you Jannah. And may He through you let other people come to the fold of Islam also. Jazakallah, sister. May Allah reward you.
Sorry. Assalamu alaikum. We have known your name before.